The Galaxy S23 Ultra battery is also tipped in this report with a capacity of 5,000 mAh. That's the same as the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which we expected but are glad to see backed up anyway. The Galaxy S23 Plus will alligator feature a 4,700 mAh battery, which would be a minor increase over the Galaxy S22 Plus 4,500 mAh. However, that's still not quite as large as the Galaxy S21 Plus 4,800 mAh battery, the peak battery capacity for the mid-sized Galaxy S model. Needless to say, none of this confirmed yet, so do take it a grain of salt for now, but you only find that out next year. It's reported that Galaxy S23 is under development right now and referred to internally as Project Diamond. As the development continues, we'll have more details about the upcoming flagship. Statement made by Qualcomm Vice President that thanks to AI, smartphones will be able to surpass DSLR cameras in about 3 to 5 years. According to his estimation, AI will be able to create a full-fledged scene in real time with color grading HDR. Everything said according to how you want right on your phone, which is something that a DSLR camera cannot do. Smartphones are already getting so good with their portrait blur in the background, creating that DSLR feel. They're using optical stabilization so the lens moves to counteract any shake. But as the name suggests, censorship stabilization is the movement of the actual sensor. The back camera lenses are actually slightly thicker than the S22 Ultra with 2 sensors on the side, now flushed in for an even cleaner look. The camera have changed slightly, with the right-hand side sensors that being flush with the rear panel, whereas previously they were slightly extruded from the case. The metal frame is also slightly larger and there's less of the curve on the S23 Ultra. We get a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz LTPO display, and it's coming with a likely resolution of 1440 by 3080. We should see improvements to the color as well as the max brightness. On the front, we're likely to get a 40-megapixel punch-hole selfie camera with an aperture of f2.2 and 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 2 10-megapixel telephoto at one with 3x zoom and another with 10. We get 5G Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, IP68 water resistance. 1 Exynos 2300 processor, the S23 Ultra. We actually have even slimmer bezel than the S22 Ultra, which is incredible because Samsung is pushing the boundaries as further as possible, considering Apple just gave the brightest older display on any phone to the iPhone 14 Pro. It's very likely they're going to bring an even brighter or perhaps the same brightness as the iPhone 14 Pro to the S23 Ultra. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.